Hey guys, new backdrop. How do you like it? Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the Naked 2 palette. And I really don't have enough time to waste, so I'm just going to hop right into it. So I'm going to start off with my MAC Stylized Eyebrow Pencil. And yes, I understand my eyebrows do not look very good right now. But I'm just going to fill them in a little bit. Just so that the sparse areas are filled in. Then I kind of like to brush through it again just to kind of make it so there's no harsh lines. Okay, so for the eyeshadow, preferably you wouldn't use a dirty brush, but I didn't clean mine. I'm gonna start with the color Tease and put that in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take this color Busted. It's like a dark purple. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner. Kind of sweeping it towards the inner corner. So I think this will be the last color. I want this just to be a simple makeup look, but I'm going to take YDK and take my finger. Oh, that's what happens when your black breaks. Okay, I'm going to take YDK and put it on my eyelid. I'm going to take that first brush I used and just kind of blend the edges out a little bit. I like to take a tissue and wipe the underneath of my eyes gently, just so that the fallout from the shadow, you can wipe that away so it doesn't mix with your foundation and make it black foundation. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Lorac felt tip liner. I love this eyeliner because it stays on all day, and I think it's waterproof too, so that's nice. And I'm just gonna do a little wing. When I do my wings, I like to find the corner of my eyebrow and the tip of my nose, and you kind of just go like this, and that's where people say that makes the best wing shape. Sometimes I mess up, like right now. Okay, so I don't like how this one looks, so I'm just going to show you guys on this eye and then fix this eye. Okay, so I fixed this eye. It looks a little wonky still, but I don't want to redo my whole eye, so I'm just going to deal with it. Okay, so then before I do my lashes, I like to do my foundation and on the rest of my face first. So I like to use this Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation, because usually my face is really oily and this mattifies it. And it goes on really smooth. This shade is a little too dark for me, so I just mix in a little bit of a lighter shade too. And then I just take my angled buffing brush from Morphe, I think that's how you say that, and blend it in. I like to do short strokes, and you pick it up each time. And you'll notice that I didn't do underneath my eyes, because that's when I take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and put it under there, so there's not so much product. But yet this stuff still covers it really well. Well, I'm almost out of this stuff. I have to try to get more out of the bottle, but I'm just going to blend what's here so it doesn't dry on my face. Actually, that might be enough. Alright, so now I like to take this big fluffy brush, it's called the tapered face brush, and some of my NYX finishing powder, and just put that on there so that it mattifies the foundation and sets it. I put it everywhere because I get oily everywhere. So, alright, so then I'm going to be taking my small contour brush and my NARS bronzer. This is the Talia one, and I like to take the lighter shade and do it in all the places first. So I like to go over my forehead, right along my hairline, and my right under my cheekbone. And I do a little bit on my neck. I know this foundation looks too dark for me, but I promise it's not. And then I take a little bit of the darker one and just put a little emphasis on under the cheekbones. Then I like to take this brush again and kind of just blend everything. Today I'm going to be using my Merle Norman Real Rose cheek blush. I like to put it on the apples of my cheeks and then kind of just go back. Taking that brush again and just blending it out. So today I'm going to be using my Maybelline Born With It lipstick. Alright, then to finish everything up, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay Perversion, oh my god, Perversion mascara. So I like to do one coat of that, and then I take my Maybelline Colossal Cat Eye Waterproof Mascara and put it right over top of that. And if you have oily eyelids, I recommend putting a waterproof mascara on over top of your regular one, or just using a waterproof one, because I know my mom has oily eyelids and it always gets on her eye, like on her eyelid, her mascara, and it really helps when it's waterproof. I like to put it on my bottom lashes because it makes my eyes look bigger. That is my look for today. Thanks for watching.